The Nairobi Railway Museum is located right in the middle of the CBD next to the railway station and a stone throw away from the Technical University of Kenya. Someone painted some graffiti on the whole wall on this road and it also looks nice. The main hall is full of historical pieces, and just like any other African country, the Kenyan history doesn't lack colonialism and racism in its books. There are pictures and models of all the trains as well as historical photos. The Tsavo man-eaters are also a part of the railway history in Kenya. They were a pair of man-eating male lions in the Tsavo region of Kenya, and they actually stopped the construction of the railway for some time until they were shot. What's interesting is that the lions are on display in Chicago, USA, and not right here in Nairobi. You see this coach that I'm jumping out from? That coach at the back there? Someone was hauled from that coach by a lion. They made multiple movies about the man-eaters of Tsavo, and speaking of movies, this train, known as East African Railways or EAR number 2301, was used to shoot the 1985 movie Out of Africa. Take a look at the controls on this steam locomotive. And a person drove this whole train. Just levers and wheels. That's the only gauge I see on this train. Then take a look at this diesel upgrade. The difference looks like night and day. Nowadays, we still use diesel locomotives on the Madaraka Express, but the controls are all digital. On my way out of the train museum, I entered this art studio right outside the museum where you can purchase some artwork, trinkets, and some drinks.
Sasa hii ni mbele ama